guys! Good afternoon. It's afternoon here in Germany, guys. On today's video, guys, if napanood nyo yung last video ko yesterday, guys, the unboxing. So, na-mention ko na I have to unbox two package today, yesterday. Pero hindi ko nagawa nag-unbox yesterday since nakalimutan ko. So, today, i-unbox natin yung isang box na hindi pa na nabubuksan natin. So, ayan. Let's get it on! So, ito yung laman niya. So, it's a smoothie maker. So, meron siyang bigger one, and the medium one, and the smaller one. So, ito natin. Ito yung different kinds of color, yung cup niya. Actually, nakalagay sa so, ito yung cup niya, guys. So, it has red, orange, and yellow. Yung cup ng smoothie maker. So, ilagay natin siya dito. And then, oh, look at that. So, ito yung shaker niya, bale, for the smoothie. And then, ito yung ata yung the biggest one. Let me check how is this. 600 ml. So, ito yung bali machine niya, guys. So, here it is. So, ganyan lang siya. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan. And you have to lock it up here. There's a lock somewhere here. And then, mag-open. Ganyan lang din. So, ganyan. So, this one is the smallest one. The smallest one. So, guys, after mo siyang i-shake, look. So, let's say for example, you have used this one. You can also just put it like that. And then, after you do the smoothie, you can just open it. Then, drink it directly. O, diba? So, ganun lang siya. Same as this one. So, so actually, guys, this one is the biggest one, 450 ml. So you can also do the smoothie here and transfer it in this bottle, or you can just directly do it right there, just like that, and then open, turn to your left, and then just like that, and then open it, and you can drink directly. That's what I said. You can put the cup. See? Also they have this for the big one. So guys, ayan, tapos na tayo mag-unbox at nakita nyo na lahat yung i-unbox natin. Dapat i-unbox today. So, yun lang. Yung smoothie makers ko, mayroon na siyang mga choices like small from biggest, medium to small. So, I only have a smaller one. I usually use that, but because I decided to buy something which is meron malaking malaking sizes. So, ayan, pwede siyang pangmalakihan. So, hindi yung lang, yung maliit lang. So, ayan, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you're new here in my channel, I am CZ Adventure. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated in my latest video. Ayan, have a good day, everyone. Bye for now.